If you need help creating your own financial security, here's what you need to know. Our company at Bottom Line Wealth is a creative ditch-the-bank real estate investing service. We guarantee you'll have a customized, tailored plan so that you can retire when you desire, creating your own path to financial freedom. It's so simple. The only thing you have to do is show up and execute. We do this in 3 steps. First step is we'll help you get your first property in 90 days or less, regardless of your exit strategy. You'll get education on contracts, negotiations, and you'll learn how to leverage realtors and time with leveraging systems. And don't worry, you'll have an expert in your corner by your side every step of the way, not only to help you, but to keep you accountable to your goals as well. After that first step, the second step is to get you structured for the security of your business, where we'll be talking about tax purposes and security for your business. This leads us into what's hot and what's not, so you get to scale. This brings us to step 3, which we call the wealth phase. This is where you've already done the heavy lifting and you're ready to scale. So this is how a teacher on a teacher's salary owns 1,000 doors. You will learn to leverage others to grow and keep more of the money that you make. We have helped various entrepreneurs and realtors take control of their financial future and stop living commission check to commission check. Like Adelia, who closed on her first property in 90 days and has since added 3 more to her portfolio. Or Carissa, mompreneur of 4, who spent 7 years Google tubing trying to figure this out on her own and frustrated paying thousands of dollars to gurus out there, only to be left even more confused than when she started almost giving up on real estate altogether until she met us here at Bottom Line Wealth. It seems like most realtors and entrepreneurs don't have a clear system to reach their financial goals, and that's totally understandable. Here at Bottom Line Wealth, we help create a customized plan to reach your financial goals and secure your future. Because you're focusing on creating your financial security, you'll need to have a reliable system in place, with a community by your side who is there to help you every step of the way. So maybe you've been thinking about a financial plan, but don't know exactly how to get there. You now know what we do and how we've helped others. And now you're wondering how this works for you. Simply tap the button, tell us a little bit about yourself and your situation, and then schedule a game plan call so you know exactly how this could work for you. And if things make sense, we'll say, great, we think you should do this. And we'll get started just as soon as you're ready. And if things don't make sense, we'll say, great, we don't think that you can do this. Either way, we have no incentive to pair with people that just aren't a great fit. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and retire when you desire, click the button below and we'll speak to you very soon.